Alright, so wanted to give an update on this. Replaced the fuel filter last night, and then it was getting late, so today I was able to reinstall the battery and all the intercooler piping and intake again. It's not the prettiest right now. You know, you can see how some of it's kind of sitting over the battery. I don't like that, but it's kind of hard to move that hard line that's there around. So probably do a battery relocate to the back just to avoid any potential fires. And it only took like 5 cranks to start up today. 3 of them it kind of stumbled over, and that is a lot less than normal. Normally I have to jump it off of my truck. So hopefully it was the fuel filter causing all the issues with the cold start and the rough idle and whatnot. I do have the fuel filter and stuff on hand, so hopefully if the fuel filter doesn't solve this cold start issue tomorrow, then I can just throw those parts at it. No big deal. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.